difference was I had more ruthlessness than you. I had more killer instinct than you. I was more vicious than you. Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY. I remember getting in mind, I'm gonna fucking do this, going, and the next thing I remember is fucking being scraped up off the fucking ground. And I remember thinking, yeah, but that's what I want. And right away my brain said, yeah, but that's because he's better than me. He's better than me, right? This is my instructor, of course. This is the guy teaching the Navy SEALs. Of course you can do that because your technique is better. Your attributes are better. You're this better. You're that better. You have more experience. You're, all of the shit. He said, what just happened in that moment has nothing to do with skill, has nothing to do with experience, has nothing to do with techniques, strategies, or tactics, or tools, has nothing to do with any of that shit. What the difference was I had more ruthlessness than you. I had more killer instinct than you. I was more vicious than you. And I thought, yeah, okay, I get all that, and I agree with it, but I don't understand that. You're just saying words that I don't know how do I get that? And he said, let me put it another way. I have stronger beliefs than you. He said, I have a stronger belief in my right to life. I have a stronger belief in my right to liberty, my freedom, and my fucking security. I have a stronger belief than you do.